Hi guys, we're here with Archer.
Hello.
He's usually streaming playing Fortnite, and today we're going to build his PC with the NZXT H700i. We have some MSI stuff, we have some EK stuff.
A lot of them.
A lot of them. We have Patriot memory, SSDs, everything, and you'll see, let's say, a time-lapse video of all of this in the nature in Lepoglava. I hope the microphone isn't making some strange sounds. And yeah, let's go, and that's all there is to it.
Yeah, hit a like and subscribe.
See ya. This is it. Basically, we have the build right here, the NZXT H700i, we have the MSI RTX 2080, we have i9 9900K, we have Patriot Viper RGB RAMs and SSD Scorch. I mean, this is it, guys. Oh, yeah. I forgot EK water blocks as well. We have a custom loop only for the processor. So yeah, that's all there is to it. We had some ups and downs but we managed everything.
Yeah,
so
finally.
Finally, yeah, everything is done. And that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to sub and like. If you like to watch Fortnite,
Yeah,
I'll put the link below for Archer as well. And that's all there is to it. Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.